To access driver profiles in the Tesla app, start by opening the app on your smartphone. The Tesla app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Make sure you are logged in with the primary Tesla account associated with the vehicle. Then navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, and select Driver Profiles. This section allows you to manage all driver-related settings. To add a driver, tap Add Driver. This brings up the driver management screen, where you can start the invitation process. Enter the invitee's name, email address, or phone number. The Tesla app will guide you through creating the invitation. The invitee must have their own Tesla account to accept the invitation and access the vehicle. You can add up to 5 drivers per vehicle, allowing for shared access while maintaining security. Once you've entered the information, send the invitation, and the process is complete. The invited driver receives a notification via email or SMS containing a link. They click the link to begin acceptance through their Tesla app. This verifies their identity and links their profile to the vehicle. As the owner, you can assign different permission levels: full access, limited access, or valet mode. Full access allows the driver to operate the vehicle and adjust settings. Limited access can restrict speed limits. Valet mode provides temporary restricted access. Select the appropriate level for each driver. To remove a driver from your Tesla vehicle, start by accessing the driver profiles in the app. Open the Tesla app and navigate through the menu. Tap Settings, then Vehicle, and select Driver Profiles. Once in Driver Profiles, you'll see a list of existing drivers. Tap on the profile of the driver you wish to remove. After selecting the profile, tap the Remove button. This will immediately revoke the driver's access to the vehicle. Removing a driver revokes their access to the vehicle and resets all data linked to their profile, such as seat positions and mirror adjustments. You'll need to confirm the removal when prompted for security. Security is a top priority in Tesla's driver management system. Tesla uses secure APIs and encryption to protect all driver data and communications. This ensures that your vehicle's access controls remain private and tamper-proof. For enhanced protection, always enable two-factor authentication on your Tesla account. This adds an extra layer of security beyond just your password, requiring a verification code sent to your phone or generated by an authenticator app. If a driver loses their phone or device, you can quickly suspend their access through the Tesla app. This prevents unauthorized use while they resolve the issue, and you can restore access once the situation is resolved. Finally, be mindful of the permissions you grant to each driver. Carefully consider what level of access is appropriate, whether full control or limited permissions, to maintain security while allowing convenient sharing. Tesla's driver management system continues to evolve with advanced features. Currently, AI-driven personalization adapts profiles to individual driving styles, suggesting routes and optimizing energy use. Fleet management allows assigning drivers across multiple vehicles, ideal for businesses. Privacy controls let users opt out of AI analytics for data protection. Looking ahead, future updates will include biometric authentication, like facial recognition and iris scanning for enhanced security. Third-party app integration will enable shared access and universal profiles across vehicles. Analysts predict 40% of EV owners will use multi-driver features by 2030, though challenges like battery drain and hacking risks remain. Stay updated with the latest Tesla app releases to leverage new features and enhance security. Consider subscribing for future content.